Tesla driver from 2018 crash was eating. Had autopilot on. U.S. agency as government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Sony, Yamaha partner to develop self-driving cart for theme parks, and Sony and Yamaha have partnered to build the SC-1 Sociable Cart, a self-driving cart for theme parks, golf courses and commercial facilities. It can seat up to 5 people, has replaceable batteries, and a broader front and rear scope of view. Sony and Yamaha plan to launch services using the cart in Japan in fiscal 2019. Hackers break-fixed Tesla car bug that let them get in without key. Security hackers from Belgian University Leuven revealed that a vulnerability found by them last year, which was fixed by Tesla, could still be exploited. They had broken the 40-bit encryption of a Tesla Model S key fob to get inside the car without using the original key. They now broke the updated 80-bit encryption by cracking 2 40-bit keys. Maruti to stop production at Gurugram, Manesar plants for 2 days. India's largest car maker Maruti Suzuki will not produce any passenger vehicles at its Gurugram and Manesar plants in Haryana on September 7 and 9. The company's installed manufacturing capacity at the 2 plants stands at around 15 lakh units per annum this year. The decision comes after Maruti reported a nearly 33% decline in sales at 106,413 units in August.